Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So recently I needed to make a shed base for a shed, and instead of leveling the whole floor beneath it, I decided to go for some plastic shed base leveling feet. So once I'd connected the whole frame together, it was time to use these decking pedestals or leveling feet. I bought a box from Amazon. There's different brands, different models, but the ones I bought only have about a centimetre or two of adjustment on them, so you can get ones with much more adjustment, and I'll leave my Amazon associate links to different types, some short, some long, with more adjustment depending on how unlevel your surface is. So they came with these top parts that you click on top, and that top part allows you to add part of the frame, and there's two holes in it where you can attach some screws. You can see here the two screw holes so that you can secure it to the frame itself. So I took my time clicking these into place. I bought a box of, I think it was 20, and I think I could have done with a few more, so bear that in mind. You need to check how many you might need. You want to get good coverage all across the framework to make sure it's nice and supported, and then all you need to do is slide them into position. You can see where those two holes are. You can screw two little screws through into the frame to secure it. I'm using these on slabs, so they're nice and supported on the slabs, and then they can be adjusted individually to get the base to a nice height and nice and level. And the great thing about these is you can just see me here adjusting one, screwing it up using the long spirit level. The great thing about these is because they're made of plastic, they're not going to rot, and they provide an air gap underneath the shed base. So here I'm just adjusting this one. Quite easy to do. As I say, check how much adjustment you might need and how unlevel your flooring is. And make sure you get the biggest, longest spirit level you can, just to reference from one end to the other, just to make sure that base is nice and level. This takes a lot less time than leveling the whole floor underneath, getting all the slabs up. This way you don't need to worry about it. This is how it looked at the end. I wish I'd bought some more, but in the end I had pretty good coverage and it was nice and supported. And here's the shed once it was put onto the base. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.